What happens if you lie to the police in Alabama? Any number of things, but it can certainly result in new charges or additional charges, or maybe charges we wouldn't have had any to begin with. So lying to the police can be quite serious, and it can make things a lot worse for you. So let's talk about some of the basics, some of the crimes that we see for this. One of them is obstructing governmental operations. The other one is giving false information to the police. Another one is filing a false police report. So you're walking down the street, cop comes up to you, what's your name? So we'll say that happened to me, and by real life, my name's Andy Segal, but if I said, my name's Brian Clark, just because I'm like, I don't want to tell the cop my name. I haven't done anything wrong, but I don't want to do it. Well, that's a crime. That crime, giving that false name, at that point is a misdemeanor. But now let's say the cop walks up to me on the street and he thinks I'm a guy with a warrant correctly. Let's say I have a warrant for, I don't know, a speeding ticket or whatever. I missed court. And now he asks me, what's your name? And I know, I don't want to get arrested. I don't want him to know this. Now I lie and I say, my name's Brian Clark. Now I've committed a felony case, and I'm probably going to be charged with something like obstruction of justice. So the lying to the police can make something that might have been a minor matter into a much more serious matter. So giving a false name, as I've said, that might be a misdemeanor, but a fake statement during an investigation, a false police report, can get you in a lot more trouble. And of course, it's a problem for you because it adds charges. It may stick even if the original case stopped, if the police officer maybe had no grounds to be talking to you or whatever. That case may go away, but you may be stuck with a case that you gave him because you lied to him. It also can hurt your credibility in court. Certainly if you're convicted of a charge that involves dishonesty, you can bet that if a prosecutor can possibly use that against you at some point in the future, if you get in other trouble, yeah, they're going to, you're basically the honest guy. In fact, you're the honest guy who was convicted of lying to the cops. How's that going to look? Not good. So what do you do? Well, if they ask you your name, you can tell them your name. And if you're going to be arrested because of something else, well, I'm sorry. But don't lie to them because you'll make it worse. And of course, you don't have to share information with the police. If they want to ask you questions, you have a right to remain silent. Use it. If you find yourself in a legal jam here in North Alabama or in Alabama and you want our help, give us a call here at Segal & Segal. I hope you like these videos. If you do and you want to be nice to us, if you give us that thumbs up, that really helps us. And if you want to see more as they come out, hit the subscribe button. And of course, if you've been in some sort of situation like this and you want to put it in the comments, we're welcome to hear. Thank you for watching.